Hey, everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable one of the most useful screenshot features on the Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra. It's called Palm Swipe to Capture, and it allows you to take screenshots by simply swiping your hand across the screen. No buttons needed. Palm Swipe to Capture lets you take a screenshot by swiping your palm across the display, either from left to right or right to left. It doesn't matter which hand you use or the direction, as long as your palm makes contact with the screenshot will be captured. To enable this feature, first open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Next, tap on Motions and Gestures. Then, find the option labeled Palm Swipe to Capture. Tap the switch to turn it on. Once it's enabled, you can start using your palm to take screenshots anytime by swiping it across the screen. You'll see a small thumbnail of the screenshot appear at the bottom of the screen. To view your screenshots, open the Gallery app. The most recent screenshot will be shown at the top of your gallery. From there, you can edit, share, or delete it as needed. That's how you enable and use Palm Swipe to capture on your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. If this video helped you, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.